Google just took an important step within its own productivity ecosystem. Now, Nano Banana Pro has been integrated directly into Google Slides, and this completely changes the way presentations can be created. We're not just talking about generating images with AI, but about creating smart visuals, infographics, complete layouts, and even redesigning finished slides, all without leaving the editor. In today's video, I'm going to show you what really changes with this integration of Nano Banana Pro into Google Slides, how it works in practice, and why this can save hours when creating professional presentations, whether for work, studies, or personal projects. But first, subscribe to the channel, and to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to talk to you about this new feature that has just been announced by the folks at Google Docs. From now on, we can use Nano Banana Pro inside Google Slides to create amazing presentations, or even to improve those presentations that already exist. Awesome, let's go. I'll show you how all of this works in practice. So let's get started. Once you're in Google Slides, at least for now, at the time I'm recording this video, they said that this update is coming first for those who have Pro accounts. This feature should eventually be available to free users too. If you already have it, let me know in the comments. Let's continue. When you open your presentation here, no matter what it's like, it can be as simple as this one. You can ask Nano Banana Pro to improve this slide for you. So before accessing this side panel here, where we have several options to improve our presentation, I want to use this feature here. Take a look. Enhance the design of this slide. If it's not showing up here, just go to the slide menu and you'll find the option Enhance the design of this slide. So let's do it. I have this very simple slide here and I'm going to ask to enhance it by simply clicking this button. This is my original slide. And this is the slide improved by Nano Banana Pro. How to make presentations that stick. A guide written by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. And here it even says, made to stick. He made a little joke here using Nano Banana Pro. If I want to use it, I just click here on Insert as New Slide. And that's it. I already have my new slide inserted. Look how cool. So I can choose if I want to keep this old one here, which was super simple, or this other one here that was modified by Nano Banana Pro. So it's a really cool feature because it gives you these options here to improve your slide, even if it's something simple. Now let's move on. I'm going to choose this other one here and ask for the same thing, improve the design of this slide. The cool thing is that you can do this with all the slides that appear here. And then you can make this substitution however you want. For example, I don't want this first slide anymore. So I click on it, come here, and delete it. So now my presentation is going to start with this slide here that was modified by Nano Banana Pro. There, it's finished generating. So just to remind you, this was my original slide. Let's see how what was created by Nano Banana Pro turned out. Look how much cooler it is. Look, introduction. Choose an approach to grab the audience's attention right from the start. Unexpected, emotional, and simple. And here he divided everything neatly. I'm going to insert the new slide and then we can compare them directly. Look, the original slide and how it turned out after being improved by Nano Banana Pro. Then I can come here and delete the simpler slide. So, this is really cool because if you have an old presentation at home with simple slides, not very charming, you can upload those slides here and then use Nano Banana Pro to give them that upgrade. Now, there's something important to mention. When you click here on the slide that was generated by Nano Banana Pro, we don't have the option to change elements within this slide. What do I mean by that? You can't, for example, modify this text here directly, nor the images that were included here. And this is very similar to what we have over there in the LM Notebook. When we create a presentation in Notebook LM, it generates a sequence of images that can't be changed directly. And the same thing happens here. So, what happens if I want to make some kind of edit to this slide here? It's very simple. You just need to come here and click on Edit Image. Automatically, the image from your slide is brought here to the prompt field and then you can ask for what you want. Like this, change the style of this image to something more modern and I'll send it. Done, it's finished here. Let's see how it turned out. So it took my original slide and turned it into another slide with a more modern look. And then you can apply this technique to all the slides in your presentation. So we still can't make changes within the slide itself. The community has already been questioning the people at Google, asking for this update to arrive as soon as possible, not only here in Google Slides, but also in the LM Notebook. Because it's kind of frustrating to create a presentation, and then, if you want to make any changes, no matter how small, you have to use Nano Banana Pro to make that change, and then it will generate another image. So you can't come here, select the text, move it around, add another image, none of that. Whenever you want to make a change, you have to come here, click on Edit Image, and then Nano Banana Pro will generate another slide for you, at least at the time I'm recording this video. Since this side menu has been opened, if it's not showing up, just click here on the banana icon. And that's it, the options will appear here, so I can generate images, slides, and infographics. If I want to create a new slide, I can come here and select the templates that are showing up here. So if you like any of them, just click on it and select Reuse Command. The command already comes down here, then you just need to send it and you'll create a slide similar to this one. Of course, if you want, you can come here to the prompt and make the necessary adjustments so that this slide turns out exactly the way you want. If you don't want to use the templates, that's no problem at all. You just come here and type the kind of slide you want. Look, create a slide to demonstrate the secrets of effective communication. Notice that it used the same layout of an image it had already generated, and then it just added here, quality communication. Discover the secrets to effective communication. Then, if you want, you can insert this slide you just created into your presentation. So this is really cool because you can keep adding new slides using Nano Banana Pro. If you just want to add an image, then you come here to the image menu and describe what you want to create. Create an image of a woman speaking into a microphone. Done. It created my image here and I'm going to insert it. Look, image inserted. Now I can resize it, bring it over here. Let's say I want to erase the background. There's an option here, look, to remove the background. Done. It erased the background of my image. Now I can crop my image and leave only what I'm going to use. Done. Image cropped. I'll bring it over here. And done. I already have my image created by Nano Banana Pro. Now you can also create an infographic. You just need to select the option here. Create an infographic with the steps to good communication. And I'll send it. Done. It's finished here. Let's see how it turned out. Look how cool this is. Step by step of good communication, active listening, clarity and conciseness, empathy, constructive feedback, adapting to the audience. And then you can insert it as a new slide. So these are really cool, very powerful features that have just been added to Google Slides. We're still missing that feature where we can edit the slide directly, changing the text, adding images, or altering the background. And that's really important when we work with slides. But at least for now, you can't do that using Nano Banana Pro. If you want to make any changes, you need to generate a new slide. So guys, give it a try. If you have a Pro account, it should already be available for you. If you don't have it yet, just wait a little bit, because they said that Nano Banana Pro will also be integrated with Google Slides for those who don't pay anything. So, give it a try and then come back here in the comments to tell me what you think about this integration. Nano Banana Pro and Google Slides. So, did you like this new feature? Do you think it will take long to be available for free accounts too? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.